Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Jumbul Imade say one man wey come from Uronigbe wey no want make dem measure his name don give dem another 10 solar street light after e don first give dem 10 before. Altogether come make am 20 solar street light wey dis man wey no want make dem measure his name don give to Uronigbe community. Make I leave you now, make you for hear from Jumbul Imade. Enjoy the video.
Starting live video. Yeah. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. God bless you all. This is life in Uronigbe community. As you can see, this is solar energy. Our lovely brother just supply us 10 street lights from Uronigbe community. Please share this video, let it go viral. Life in Uronigbe community as we speak with you right now. Please share. Share without wasting time. God bless you all. Share this video without wasting time. God bless you as you share this video. Please, let's support Uronigbe community for development. This is not time for quarrel. Let all of us join hands together and support Uronigbe community for development. Please share this video. Let it get good viral, please. We want development in our community. That is exactly what we want. Please share this video. If you don't need a video now, or the Gwetwe community bought 70 street light. Thank you, my brother. I can see you. You are watching. God bless you. Please share this video live in garage, as you can see. We will no more remain in darkness again. If our brother can just do this, just arriving right now as I speak with you right now, one man, just one man, Orionpa, he have give us 20 street lights as far as Uronigbe community is concerned. Please share this video, let it go viral. Share this video. Start praying for this man. He just give us 10 street lights in Uronigbe community. Uronigbe have been existing for long. Uronigbe home is home in America, different countries all over the world. I make it Uronigbe. So why are we wasting time to support Jumbul Imade for development? Support the tank crier of Uronigbe. How long are we going to be waiting for the government? Just take a look at this 10 street light. As I speak with you right now, Uronigbe EDG just surprised us this afternoon with 10 street lights. Solar energy. If for the Gwetwe community can bought 70 street lights a day, how about Uronigbe? Great Uronigbe. Are we sleeping? Can't we develop our community? Ekenamioma say, Agioma say, Uronigbe will live to remember me. Now. Even when I'm not in this country, they will remember me. Igo naga. Anytime you go to Uronigbe, aga. Oriokpa donona. Oriokpa kan or donona. Igo are averu one rowa wa agun ne aga igago. 6 million. Aga go kikina 6 million. On SIA the street light. Look at it. We are going to hang this street light effect from on Monday, and we'll still put it on live video. Please come and hold this.
No, support us for the community. Help us just support Uronigbe community for development.
We need more. Uronigbe in America, London, Austria, they control. We need more for development. Develop Uronigbe. Don't wait for the governor. Don't wait for anybody. Send money down. Send money to the grassroots. Don't pay money online. Send money to the grassroots.
Share this video out for us. Share this video out.
Share this video
out. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you all. I better support the community, make it develop. Support us, make the community make develop. Now development now we need. Development now we need for Uronigbe community. Great Uronigbe youth. We do here. Abemuna support us. Maybe to the chop, maybe to the share. Muna just share this video
Support
out. Muna
Uronigbe
support
for
us
development.
for development.
Uronigbe must rise, either the devil like it or not. We
He
don't
must.
believe on people paying money online. Do something. Who will we? That is what we believe. Let's develop our community. You understand my point? Don't develop Uronigbe because of John Buimade. It's not because I'm living here. Please, let's develop our community. If one man can bring this, what are we waiting for? Evosi have started their own. Ugo have started their own. Great Uronigbe. Uronigbe is one of the greatest village in the whole Oriomo as a whole. Uronigbe is one of the biggest village. What are we waiting for? Look at Uronigbe. Every day we are on darkness. We are saying, oh, Obaseki have not done anything. Can't we work for ourselves? Let's work for ourselves. If one man can do this, a man who say we should not mention his name have done something again. First of all, he gave us 10 street lights. Another one again, bring another 10. Only one man have bought 20 street lights in Uronigbe community. Only one man. Let's support Uronigbe for development. That is exactly what we are talking about. This is not time to quarrel. This is not time to fight. Let's develop our community. Share this video. Contact John Buimade. Contact the men of grassroots. As I'm assuring you people, by tomorrow, next tomorrow, this 10 street light will be on. Please, Daniya, take care of this my video. Aproko, carry this video. CCTV Naija, carry this video. Naija Watch, share this video. Only one man na buy 10 street light. Or the Gwetwe, if they can buy 70 street light, where are the Uronigbe in Austria? Where is Uronigbe in Germany? Where is Uronigbe in Pakistan? Where are the old Uronigbe, the millionaires of Uronigbe? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? All Uronigbe billionaires, please do something. We are begging you in the name of God. Do something to support Uronigbe community. Where are the men? Where are the Asa men in Uronigbe community? Where are the Yahoo men? Support your community. That is exactly what we want. Support Uronigbe community. Forget the atrocity of our father, our mother in the community. Forget the money that they are sharing. That is exactly what we want. Please clear your face. Please, my brothers and sisters, we are begging you people, let's develop Uronigbe community. From here, look at this road. We don't have street light. This is Igbo. Look at this one, no street light. We started from Edogun quarter. We are begging you people to support Uronigbe for development. Support Uronigbe. Share this video. And the verse, I not get joy. And the verse, the reason why the verse now be this one. I know the verse for my brothers. Our big millionaire. Where are you people? Wake up. Or the Gwetwe community bought 70 street lights a day. What are we waiting for? If we can be able to be empowering the youth on ground, you see those are little things. You understand my point? As long as my devil there, they never you parade. Let's support ourselves. Only one man just did it. But I'm sitting with you guys right now. Please support Uronigbe for development. Share this video. Let this video go viral. We are 14 now as I speak with you. Thank you. Share this video. Let this video go viral. We are begging you guys in the name of God. There is no time. Please share this video. Share this video. And let's start packaging. Now we are about to take this street light to the prepared quarter. Please share this video. Let's develop Uronigbe community. Share this video. Share this video. After we round up, right from Ididogun to Niro, the Dunegbo, then right from GGS to Council. That is exactly what we want. This Uronigbe for you. If the Gwetwe community can bust 70 street lights a day, where is our brother in Europe country? Where is our fathers? Where is all our brother in different countries? You that is in America, support Uronigbe for development. Stop paying money online. Stop paying money online. Contact John Buimade. We know how to get this street light for ourselves. Stop paying money to anybody online. Call us, we are home. You cannot decide for us. You understand my point? So you are who like Uronigbe. We don't support even our Uronigbe. Support Uronigbe community for development. Support Uronigbe community. Everywhere is dark. We need support. Support Uronigbe for development. Imamuyo wame, ero wame. Imamu wa TV yo wame. Nu wame degode. Wa fe, wa makwe fe. Wa gimano me fene. Esoe oni ave gino fene. Wa me support on obe we no mayevo. Wa support. Bi agiri wa na. Ah? Eleti be mugiwana. A song where let yare azeri make a tingy. How can somebody use that language where let yaronigbe azem make a tingy? Imagine, why must you be having that belief? We ukpare azem make a tingy. Ava zeme kamime. Yeah, we are like a Latin. Ni vie latire. Imavi agba discussing the witches in Ronigbe. Iviere yagik boma. Azen Ronigbe yagik boma. Iyagikbe monire bo azen gijigo gioma. Wamada e moto me wamada e wame. Amuja ni me mena ma Ronigbe. Why are you afraid of your community? What's your problem? Support Ronigbe for development. We are begging you in the name of God. Share this video. Let this video go viral. Thank you for supporting John Buimade. Thank you for supporting the Town Crier of Ronigbe community. God bless you as you share this video. God will keep on blessing you guys. Don't fail to contact John Buimade on Facebook, on WhatsApp, or you follow my page, the Town Crier of Ronigbe community. Thank you very much. We appreciate our senior brother who did this for us. God bless you. Balance one there. Thank you very much. Share this video. We are moving. We move. We want to complete the street light 100 street light before the December, so that we can round up in Iduen Road, round up Iduengbo to the new road. They arrive from Ogeoriki, the Yase Rubber Estate. So let's support Ronigbe for community. Support your community. Support Ronigbe for development. We appreciate our brother for all he have done for us. God bless you, and God bless Ronigbe. God bless John Buimade. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters. We appreciate you guys. Please share this video. Don't fail to share.
I beg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.